Ideal solutions are the solutions which are having the enthalpy change equal to zero. Means when we are mixing a binary or a two component, we are making a binary solutions. In class 12th chemistry, in unit solution, we are having a subtopic ideal solution. The solution which obeys the Raoult's law, they are known as ideal solution, and ideal solutions are those where the change in enthalpy means the change in energy, or no heat is evolved and no heat is observed. So the change in enthalpy makes equal to zero. And the second condition is the change in volume mix. When we mix the two liquid component, it will be, there will be no change in the volume also. So delta volume mix or change in volume mix equal to zero. These are the two conditions for the ideal solution, and ideal solutions are those solutions which follow the Raoult's law, and it is the subtopic from the unit solution class 12th chemistry. Now let's have a question which is from the NEET 2019. For an ideal solution, the correct options, four options are given to us, and which is the correct one. So let's see the first one here. The delta mix S is entropy equal to zero, and the जो conditions हैं that is at a constant temperature and a pressure. So all the way we are having जो condition हमें दी हुई है, that is the constant pressure and constant temperature. These are for same for all the जो हमारी थर्मोडाइनमिकल फंक्शंस है उनके साथ दिया हुआ है. चेंज इन एंट्रोपी, सो चेंज इन एंट्रोपी जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन है दैट इज द चेंज इन एंट्रोपी मिक्स, or we can write here also mix, which is equal to zero and at a constant temperature and pressure, and this is not correct because जो entropy है randomness है, it will get increased. So this is not correct, it is incorrect. Because क्यों incorrect है? Because on mixing the two component, on mixing the randomness increases, means entropy increases. So increase होता है मतलब कि जो डेल्टा मिक्स एस है वो इंक्रीज होता है, इट सेज इट्स जीरो, तो इसलिए ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं है. द सेकेंड इज दैट डेल्टा मिक्स वॉल्यूम, वो तो मैंने अभी लिख दिया कि फॉर आइडियल सोल्यूशन इट शुड बी जीरो. तो सेकेंड जो कंडीशन दी है दैट इज अ डेल्टा मिक्स वॉल्यूम नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो, सो इट इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. फॉर आइडियल सोल्यूशन इट मस्ट बी अ जीरो. No change in the volume on mixing components which are forming a ideal solution. So this is incorrect. C option is given to us, that is a delta mix enthalpy equal to zero, and अभी तक जो है it is only the correct one because for ideal solution these two conditions must be there. No absorption and no evolution of heat is there, so this is the correct one. And D, so we can also write incorrect because no change in volume. So यहाँ पे तो दे दिया है वॉल्यूम में चेंज है इसलिए इनकरेक्ट है. ये करेक्ट है because no heat evolve and no heat used up, ना तो यूज की जाती है ना ही निकलती है, तो इसीलिए until we are means from ABC only C option is correct till now. And the option D is enthalpy in free gives energy change equal to zero, which is getting decreased. जो enthalpy of चेंज इन दी गिव्स फ्री एनर्जी है, इट शुड गेट इंक्रीज नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो। तो जो ऑप्शन डी है दैट इज दी चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ऑफ गिव्स फ्री एनर्जी इक्वल टू जीरो, ये भी क्या है, इज इनकरेक्ट। व्हाई इट इज इनकरेक्ट? बिकॉज change in Gibbs free energy get decreased, ये कम हो जाती है on making an ideal solution। so ये बातें हमने यहाँ पे याद रखनी है। it should be get increased, ये एंट्रोपी बढ़ जाती है, और जो एंथैल्पी चेंज इन एंथैल्पी ऑफ फ्री गिव्स एनर्जी वो हमारा जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है, बिकॉज दीज टू कंडीशंस आर सेम फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स। एंड ये इसलिए इनकरेक्ट है बिकॉज जो वॉल्यूम मिक्स है वो जीरो होना चाहिए। ओनली द ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर। सो ऑप्शन सी, only the option C is correct because it says no heat is used up and no heat is evolved.